Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. I have some hamburgers off the grill and hot dogs. So I'm about to make me a bite to eat. And I have the Hellman mayo. This is my favorite brand. And this is whole wheat bun. So over here I have like some lettuce and stuff. So, and it got like tomatoes in here. So, a little sprinkle with cheese right there. So I'm going to put this cheeseburger on here. Okay. And for this one, I'm going to put the hot dog. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Put this back in the oven. Okay, I got some condiments on deck. Mustard. I want a little mustard on my burger. Okay. Ketchup. Okay. Just dab it and let's go through the. This how the burger look, you guys. Ooh. Okay, so hold on while I get my baked beans. Okay, here's my baked beans. It's still smoking hot. Have bell peppers in there, and it has onion. And it's like a little bit of barbecue sauce. They are so good. I was going to add some relish to my hot dog, but this will suit me enough because I have to get through this big burger. So, I thank you guys for watching, and I will be back with another video. And bye-bye for now. Mountain on deck.